y'all the before. You can't really see the seats because, like I said, the seats are a light color, but it looks a mess. So that's what we're doing. We're here about to clean it up, and I just showed y'all the before. This is really dirty. Just finished washing the car on the outside. We vacuumed in. Ooh. We vacuumed the inside, but they didn't have like no armor oil or nothing, so we can wipe down in the inside. So we're gonna go and buy some, and then we're gonna finish off the car. But overall, I'm so glad it ended up getting washed because my baby was nasty, honey. I mean, nasty. Yeah, so it's 11. Hold on, the thing for the 11:10. Oh, 12:30.
Yeah, that's what he said.
12:30. It's a deal from yesterday.
In case you did. Oh, did you eat meat? So meat? You might be allergic to meat.
I don't think I'm allergic to meat.
Well, not.
It's just that.
Yeah, just that meat.
Boy, if you don't get.
Okay, right now I should have put my water in the refrigerator so it can be cold, because I could have just grabbed it. But yeah, we're gonna find some stuff so we can wipe down the inside. I haven't been in no stores in about 2 weeks. That's crazy. When we been back from Florida? When did we get back from Florida?
January
7th.
Yeah, it was the 7th.
2 weeks. Have I been in a store? I can't remember, y'all.
No, we've been grinding, working. So yeah.
That's crazy. I'm going in there soon though. Happy, what's the day? I don't know what the day is, but it's another day that the Lord has made, okay? What's the day? What's the day? Thursday. Happy Thursday, y'all. Or whatever day it is when you see this. But we're here to work out. Haven't been here all week. Shame on us. But
not because we didn't want to.
We've been working. It's been a busy week. We've been working.
It's been real busy.
So we're here to get the workout in. And yeah, hopefully it go well, because if not, baby, I don't know. I hope
Alexa, pause.
you know, everything go as planned. I didn't plan no workouts out. I just came in here and I'm going off for a wish and a prayer, okay? So I think I'm doing all weights today. I may do a little bit of cardio, but my main focus is going to be weights today because your girl trying to get fit, okay? Oh, that's silly. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'll see you guys once we done. Once we done Hey, once we done. Alright, I'm doing too much. I'll see y'all later. Yeah.
One time exclusive. Come on, is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse.
Workout done. Are y'all working out today? Whatever day y'all it is, y'all see this? Go ahead and work out. My head is itching. But workout is complete. I am here. About to finish drinking my protein shake. And I'm gonna pack an order. And then I'm gonna pack an order and go and do something on I can't even talk, y'all. I'm so tired. Then I'm going to do something with the credit repair business. We have a few clients that we need to get together. Yeah. Like I said, come May, we're doing a whole new drop birthday collection, and it's gonna be dope. So yeah, y'all can stay here, stay tuned, and just see what I bring. But I'm about to go ahead and pack this order, which is my favorite part. I love packing orders. I love getting orders. Thank y'all so much to those who do support me already. I truly appreciate you. Some days I get one order, some days I get no orders, some days I get 30 orders. It all depends, but I'm grateful for each and every order that I do get. So come along, let's pack this order. This is actually what we're packing. The I Speak For It French bag. It's the mini black bag. This is actually my last one that I sold, and I'm hoping to get more in because I really like these bags and they did pretty well. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see, baby. This was actually my display bag, but she was like, yes, I want it. So I was like, okay girl, you can have it. And of course the display bag was gonna eventually become mine, but what customers want, customers get, okay? So yeah. And I go in and I just put, each one of these in there. Well, I won't put this because it's already attached to the bag, but I'm going to put both of those, and I'm going to also send a free gift as well. I like surprising my customers, clients as well, but yeah. So after I put that in, but yeah, that's what I do. I pack it in a nice luxury box, and then I would just literally, because I ran out of packing tape, I don't just send it in the box anymore. I would just send it in the box so other people can see, but I don't just send it in the box anymore. I pack it in the box, and then I will put it in a bag. And the reason I do that is because, again, like I said, I ran out of packing tape because I would normally put packing tape around this area so that no one can open it. But I just put it in one of these bags. I also have my name on it. Yeah. And when I'm done, when I get down there, I would literally just put her shipping label on it and her packing slip inside the bag, and that's it. that's how I pack my orders. But yeah, so I'm headed down to the other office because I'm about to go and get some credit stuff done. I need to be getting more work up here done, but
apply for all that good stuff. But first 2 classes going to really pertain in bank compliant, being bank compliant, and make sure you bank compliant. Because if you're not bank compliant, then you will get denied. 100%. I've seen it too many times. So, yeah, so yours don't have too much on it. And once we get this inquiry off, you'll be finished the credit.